Hello everyone, good afternoon, good morning, and good evening. My name is Andrea Mason, your personal accountability coach and global voice motivational speaker under the mentorship of Dr. Les Brown. How are you doing today? Well, for some of you parts of the world that have experienced natural disasters with poor and severe weather conditions, others have experienced constant turmoil and are surviving through limited and lack thereof of healthy, clean water, food, clothing, and shelter. The reason why I bring this to your attention and ask how you're doing is because I want you to take it upon yourself to explore options that are available to you, to connect with individuals that can provide a resource, a link, or a referral so you can help yourself. Many times more often than none, we ask each other how we're doing. And we talk about the conditions that are limiting, that are bothering us, and that are difficult for us to manage, whether it be on a personal level, career level, financial level, or even a global level. But we don't ask the proper questions. We don't ask for the resources. We don't ask for the linkages. We don't ask for the referrals of connecting that individual with another one or service that can be provided. Now, for those of you who have been watching me for some time, you know that I have served in the industries and have degrees in both social work and psychology for over 2 decades. And one of the most difficult challenges that I faced when connecting with individuals on the receiving end that were qualified, eligible, or deemed aware and had the ability to learn of such resources, these weren't made available to them. At times, it was not by their own choice, and at other times because the service providers wouldn't go to the communities where they were needed most. And now that I have connections with global affiliates and I have connections with individuals on all parts of the world, I am working diligently to connect with individuals on the other side of the world, on the other side of the border and across the waters, because I believe individuals can help themselves to a certain extent only with the limited knowledge, awareness, education, and access to such resources, whether it be internet, books, or tactile materials such as food, clothing, and shelter. I ask you, are you bridging the gap to individuals who are seeking services, have questions, and providing the answers? Or are you just adding to the problem? It really took a toll on me when I realized that I wanted to become part of the solution as opposed to adding onto the problem. A lot of individuals don't take the ability or accountability, if you will, to realize that some of the conditions, most of the conditions that they are in, truth be told, this was a jagged pill for me to swallow. They were put there on their own, whether it be consciously or subconsciously. And I'm reminded of the late, great Bob Proctor, where he said, thoughts become things. And in today's world, with the constant stress, unknown, uncertainty, we have a lot of questions. Many times we are just given the information, given the downfall, given the news, and rarely discuss the strategies or solutions. And that's what I'm here to do, to bridge the gap of the areas of improvement, concern, or needs that you have, and providing a linkage and referral and resource to the entities in your area that can be beneficial to you. And then I can provide a service where I am able, with my expertise in both social work and psychology, and based on my own experiences of being a woman of abuse, a woman of neglect, isolation, and bullying. And I can provide you the resources, the tools, the techniques, the strategies, and the solutions to these problems, and customize them to you. So let's stop for a moment in our lives and ask ourselves these questions. Not only am I asking questions, but am I asking the right questions? What is it that I need? And who is it whom I can go to provide the solution? And if they are unable to, how can they possibly refer me or outsource me to an individual or group of individuals or entities that can? This is my message. This is my mission. And it's constantly growing. I want to be bridging the gap of where you have areas of improvement, questions and concerns, and providing you linkage, referrals, resources, or service to help you achieve and solve the problem and find a solution and make and create a life transformation. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Go to andrea@masons.com to learn more. And I welcome you to redeem your free gift and connect with me. And let's get you on the right path to achieving personal freedom through the healing power of forgiveness, as well as in this crazy game of life, choosing to press play. Plan life according to you. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.